Hey guys, so this is Kid DJ Gaming, and then today we're gonna be doing dirt bike racing, and I'll show you when we get to my cousin's house. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm in my cousin's house, and we're finna do the dirt bike race. It's just gonna be one race. So, my dad's gonna record. Here's mine right here, and he's on the red one. So.
On your mark, set, go. Do 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 do. While we waiting on them to come back, looks like Robert just cheated and didn't go all the way down. But can he still make it back first? Let's see.